The supply chain is getting destroyed. Businesses who are supposed to be patronizing wholesalers now want to get directly to the suppliers. Even individuals who are using the bundles, the wig on their head, want to bypass retailers, bypass the wholesaler, and get straight to the supplier, which is affecting businesses. I mean hair businesses. I have always been of an opinion that the sky is wide enough for everybody to fly, and an advocate for women empowerment. And over the past years, I've helped individuals, hundreds of businesses connect directly to suppliers, which is now affecting my business and other businesses in the country. I cannot count the number of feedbacks I've gotten from these businesses thanking me for putting them on. Many of them now have a very large social followers, and they are well established in the business, both in this country and outside the country, which I'm so proud of. And not to brag, most of your favorite hair vendors got their contact from me, and that's what's up. This year, we are touring Asia again, touching down Philippines, Vietnam, Cambodia, Indonesia, and also China. But for this year trip, we are not doing just hair factories. We'll not be touring just the hair factories. We are also sourcing for hair collectors. For those who don't know, hair collectors are the ones that help the suppliers, the manufacturers, collect hairs from donors. They are all in the villages sourcing for these manufacturers that you all buy from. And we are not just going to the manufacturer this time. We're going to get hair collectors as well. So if you are thinking of cutting down on the lead time, the wait time from these factories, you want to get Filipino hairs without having to wait 4 to 6 months for the factory to process your hair. You want to buy from Indonesia without having to deal with the awful smell that their bundles usually get. This trip is for you. You want to join this trip virtually, as you'll be having access to a very good suppliers, to good collectors from these countries in Cambodia, in Philippines, in Indonesia. And to crown it all, the prices you get these bundles from the collectors are way lesser than the prices you get it from the manufacturers, from the suppliers, the factories. So ultimately, you are saving money, you are saving time, and you're also getting the best quality from these factories right from the comfort of your own house in your own city by joining this tour virtually. For context, these are what you're getting from this tour. You'll be getting direct suppliers contact from these countries that we'll be visiting together if you join me virtually. Also, you'll be getting hair collectors contact, and do not forget that when you get hair collectors, you're saving a bulk, you're saving a lot, okay? And also you'll be following me virtually via video calls throughout the trip. And as a tourist joining me on this trip, you have access to two personal requests. You can send me 2 personal requests of things you would like me to do for you in any of these countries. Let me make this clear. I'm not carrying luggage for anybody, okay? But I can help you with business related stuff if you join me on this tour. Also, if you are interested, I'll be helping you with a collection of hairs from donors, buying from suppliers on your behalf, and sending it over to you while I'm still in this country. During my last trip, I helped people get over 50k worth of hairs. So if you are interested in getting hairs while I'm there, I'll help you pick up the best. I'll help you select the best strands, collect hairs from good donor, healthy strands from good donors, and send it over to you. Due to aforementioned reason, the crippling of the supply chain, this particular trip is a very, very exclusive one, and it is limited to just 5 people from 5 different countries. And just before you ask, the slot for Nigeria has been taken since months ago. The last time I was in Philippines checking out one of the factories, something happened. I bumped into the collectors dropping off hairs to one of these suppliers, and you guys need to see how she jealously guided the hair collector's contact with her life. I wouldn't blame her, because that's our own secret. If we can get access to our collector, there's no way we are going back to her. She knows that there's a huge difference between the collector's price and the factory prices. So this is exclusive. I'm not going on about distributing hair collectors, distributing exclusive factory numbers to people, to everybody. So it is for 5 people, just 5 people, because I'm also in the business. This tour requires me to go into villages, to go into very remote areas that are very far from cities, and it is not coming cheap. The last trip cost about $500 per country, but this year we have decided to make it a total package, which is going to be quite affordable, even though affordable is relative, but it is affordable for those who know the worth and also ready to invest in their businesses. For further inquiries concerning date, payment, location, and everything in between, my email will be linked in the description box of this video and also will be displayed on the screen right now for you to send me your messages, ask me your questions, and I'll be right there answering all of it. Do remember that this is a virtual tour, and if you want to join me physically, it's a different ball game that we have to talk about, sit down and make arrangements for, due to the fact that I'm in Nigeria and I don't know where you're coming from. We have to reach a conclusion on that. But like I said, you can drop all of your messages in my email and I'll be responding to that. With that being said, we've come to the end of today's video. Please do well to like, subscribe, and also leave me a comment. Share this video to those who you think are going to benefit from this and they're ready to invest in their business. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.